Hi! I am matter. Everything around you is made of me. I am everywhere.
Today we are going to learn about matter. Welcome to The Adventures of Matter. Let's learn the definition of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space.
I am made of tiny particles called molecules.
My first state is solid form, with fixed shape and fixed volume. In solid state, all my molecule friends are tightly packed.
My second state is liquid, with fixed volume but no fixed shape. In liquid state, my molecule friends are loosely packed.
My third state is gas. Oh, no fixed shape or volume. All my molecule friends stay far apart and move freely.
Sometimes I change my state from solid to liquid. Example, ice changing into water. This change is called melting or fusion. Sometimes I change from liquid to solid, like water turning into ice. This is called freezing. The change from solid directly into gas is called sublimation.
When boiling water changes into water vapor, I call it boiling or vaporization. And when gas changes directly into solid, I call it deposition.
Now you know all about me. I am matter. Please join our NCERT Toon Academy channel. Like, share, and subscribe.